week's active is just an upper body exercise. Now it's a little bit similar to something I've taught recently, but still different because we're going to be doing something a little different. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the arms out here, fingers spread apart. We're going to come in, go out, quick, quick stop. Out, in, quick, quick step. Now I did something like this similar with the jumping jack and the single dumbbell, but this is not with a dumbbell and I'm not adding the legs, although you could. Yep, you could definitely add the legs with this, but today I just want to add arms. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now, fingers are spread wide apart, so that's number one. Number two, I'm bringing my hands to my abdomen. Now, a lot of your clients will bring your hands up to your chest, and that just lifts up the shoulders a little bit more. So, get a little bit more upper trapezius work. I like keeping it down low, yep, so that I can get the shoulders down away from the ears. And the final point I want to make with this is that we're the position of the elbows, and you will need to coach your participants because there's a bit of external rotation when we teach with other exercises. This one, yes, there's external rotation, but it's a little bit less focused on the rotated cuff because the elbows are lifted out away from the body. And basically, it's a bicep, tricep exercise rather than a rotation that's happening at the shoulder. So that's how you can create force with this movement. If I had my elbows in, I wouldn't be able to work that hard, smaller muscles. So hands here, out, or you can start with your arms out. So in, out, 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 in, out. Great upper body exercise, really good for if you do something high intensity to pull it back and then go high intensity, but still maintain some intensity in the upper body. And that's this week's active. Demonstrating the arm action where we go slow, slow, quick, quick, quick is actually super easy as an instructor. But the challenge though is communicating the right amount of intensity that you want your participants to achieve in the water. So remember that your elbows are away from your body because that's how you can create the force. So don't be tucking the elbows in because it'll be awkward for your clients. So elbows out, fingers spread apart, so communicate that too. Open your fingers wide and then go in, out, quick, quick, stop. Out, in, quick, quick, stop. I often talk about slapping the water, in, out, in. Drive it out, push it in, out. Stiffen up your fingers and your wrists so that you feel that you've got a whole paddle, a whole movement pattern from the fingers to the elbows moving through the water. Watch for clients with softening wrists. Now, I often say to my participants, that's a choice that you make. If you want to make the exercise easier, release the wrist, pretty much for any exercise. And that will decrease the muscle tone in your forearms and the muscle tone in your upper arms. And that will help decrease the intensity overall. And that may be important for injury prevention or to be able to alleviate any discomfort. But for your clients that want to work hard, that softening of the wrist is going to be counterproductive for them and they won't be able to get the intensity that they desire. So ensure that they've got their fingers spread apart, open out wide, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And I like using those sorts of words at that timing and that speed to also communicate the rhythm that I want them to achieve. And that's this week's active.